The new LG QNED Evo AI Smart TV really stands out from the rest, and that's not just because of the new huge 100-inch size. So let's see what it can do. This range is LG's first ever to feature a massive 100-inch screen, so you're not going to get their technology in a bigger package than this. And you get an even larger display with slim bezels that are less of a distraction when you're really getting into the action. If you don't quite have the wall space for this though, you can still get the same cinematic edge from the wide variety of sizes within this range. Dolby Vision and Filmmaker mode work together to make everything look exactly how the filmmakers intended. This means you get amazing color and contrast, and you can turn off any extra picture processing that undoes the work of professional cinematographers and editors. When you're settling down to watch the football, you'll really notice the more vibrant and true to life picture when compared to previous LCD TVs. Now, this is all down to the dynamic QNED technology, which gives you 100% color volume and a full spectrum of hues. I mean, just look at how much every color really pops on screen. QNED also features local dimming, which means you get higher contrast and blacker blacks. You'll get loads of detail too, as this TV is powered by the latest Alpha 8 AI processor. Its AI upscaling works in the background to give you laser-sharp picture quality and enhanced, more immersive audio. You'll have loads of options when you're choosing what to watch, as this comes with LG's smart platform WebOS. Here you can find all the popular streaming services and browse through films and shows without all the hassle. It's controlled by the LG AI Magic Remote, which lets you use loads of AI features. These include the AI chatbot, where you can use your voice to change the image and sound settings, and Voice ID, which recognizes different users' voices to give them personalized recommendations. It really is some pretty clever tech. If you'd like more info about this TV, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.